have done so well this morning in the manner in which you have spoken to these parents. I want to add one point to your presentation. Let us encourage us as parents, especially as we are raising these children, because the first environment of training is the family and at home. In addition to this knowledge that we are seeking to have on how we guide our children, let us also ensure that we develop very strong relations with our children. Speak to them, love them, but most importantly, give our children an opportunity to speak, voice, talk to us. What we are seeing through in our country right now, the challenge where we are contesting the voices of our children. When in actual fact, that should be a national thing, when our children are speaking to us and when we're talking, we listen to them. Because if we don't listen to them, we are not developing them responsible and patient people who are going to know our country as well as well. So please, and this is the right place to do that, to encourage that as we go along, to develop our young people's voices, listen to them, work with them, and ensure that we grow them to be responsible citizens. And we will have an opportunity to talk other things out there, but this is our place, and I don't want to abuse the opportunity you gave me. I thank you so much indeed, and I look forward to meeting you at another time when we can say things we cannot say in church right now. Let me ask my sister who brought me here to say hello.
Mchungaji rafiki yangu na mchungaji mwenzako, wonderful choir, nashukuru kwa kunipa